Today, we're going to jump into Adobe After Effects and create some rad 8-bit 3D text bubbles that will blow your viewers' minds. First, let's create a new composition, which is generally the default at the beginning of any AE project. Next, we're going to select the text tool and click on your composition panel. Type your desired text. Feel free to experiment, but something short like hello works well. Now, let's move on to making this text 3D, which allows us to add depth and shape. Turn on the 3D layer switch for your text layer using the toggle switches panel. After that, it's time to add some depth to the text, which will make it a 3D text. Adjust the text layer's geometry under the text layer. Let's give it some extrusion to make it 3D. By increasing the extrusion depth, this is how thick the text will appear. Add some Cartoonlike Bubbles. Duplicate the text layer for this stage. Modify the text in the duplicate layer by adding a bubble graphic. Move this visual to your text and adjust it. We can also change the colors, as you see here. To add the retro pixelated feel, go into Effect Controls, then we're going to add a mosaic effect. Go to Effect and Presets in the right panel and search for Mosaic. Drag the mosaic effect onto your text layer. Adjust the horizontal and vertical block sizes under Effect Controls. Now play the composition. There you have it. Awesome 8-bit 3D text bubbles.